Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix battery draining issue on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and your iPhone battery drain very fast, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you have to check for your pending software updates. So open your settings here, and here you go for general, go for software updates, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates. Pending software updates may affect your battery settings, and after that you just have to go back, and here you have to try to disable your location services. Open privacy and security section, select location services, and try to disable it from here. Then select turn off. Once you have turned off your location services, go back. Now you have to select the battery option from here, and then you have to tap on the battery health, and you have to make sure that the battery health is normal and the maximum capacity is 100% or up to more than 80%. So then go back from here and then select charging, and now you just have to enable optimized charging if you want, or you can also set charging limits to protect your iPhone battery. So once you have set it, go back from here. You can also enable low power mode, open power mode, and here you have to select adaptive power mode, or you can also select low power mode from here, or if you want to enable battery percentage you can also do that. And once you have done, you have to go back, and here if you are still facing the same issue, so scroll down to control center, and you have to disable all the unnecessary connections from here. For example, this auto lock, Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, your cellular, and also including your VPN if you are connected. So after that you just have to go back, open general here, go for background app refresh, and you have to try to disable the setting. Tap on background app refresh and select off from here. It will disable background usage of your apps. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to double check your software updates again, that you're not enabled beta updates if on your iPhone, or if you have enabled beta updates, so you have to try to turn them off because your beta updates get more than battery on your iPhone. So once you have disabled beta updates, you just have to go back, and after that you have to make a force restart to refresh all of your system. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and reach the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and reach the volume up, and then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to try to exchange your iPhone battery. You have to check if your iPhone has original battery or not. If you don't have any original battery, try to exchange with any original battery for your iPhone to for better battery performance. In this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.